You need to call customer support. Your phone bill's wrong or something's broken, but you can't find the words in English and hang up in panic. This is for beginner English learners who avoid phone calls because speaking feels impossible. Today, you'll handle any customer support call without fear. Miss one phrase and you'll waste hours being transferred or misunderstood. Brian, what makes phone calls so scary?
You can't see their face, no hand gestures.
Exactly, just your voice. So let's prepare you. First, someone answers and says, "How can I help you today?"
Do I explain everything right away?
No, start simple. Say, "Hi, I have a problem with my account."
Hi, I have a problem with my account.
Or, "I have a question about my bill."
I have a question about my bill. Keep it short?
Yes, they'll ask for details next. Practice. Say, "I have a problem with my account."
I have a problem with my account.
Excellent. Say it again.
I have a problem with my account.
Good. Now they'll say, "Can I get your account number?"
What if I don't have it?
Say, "I don't have it with me. Can you look it up?"
I don't have it with me. Can you look it up?
They'll ask for your name, phone number, or email instead.
That's easier.
They might say, "Can you verify your address?"
Verify?
Confirm. Prove it's really you. Just say your address clearly.
Okay. What if I don't understand them?
Super important. Say, "Sorry, can you repeat that?"
Sorry, can you repeat that?
Or, "Can you say that more slowly?"
Can you say that more slowly? They won't get annoyed?
It's their job. They deal with it constantly. Practice. Say, "Can you repeat that?"
Can you repeat that?
Excellent. Say it again.
Can you repeat that?
Perfect. Now you're explaining your problem. Keep sentences short.
Like what?
Say, "I was charged twice for the same thing."
I was charged twice for the same thing.
Or, "My service stopped working yesterday."
My service stopped working yesterday. Just the facts?
Exactly. No long stories. They'll ask questions if they need more.
Makes sense.
They might say, "Let me check that for you."
Okay, so I wait?
Yes, they'll put you on hold. You'll hear music.
How long?
Could be 2 minutes, could be 10. Stay patient.
What if it's too long?
You can call back, but usually just wait.
All right.
They come back and say, "I see the issue. We can fix that."
Great. What do I say?
Say, "How long will that take?"
How long will that take?
Good question to always ask. Or, "What do I need to do?"
What do I need to do? Gets me clear steps.
Exactly. Now here's a tough one. They say, "I need to transfer you to another department."
Oh no, I have to explain everything again?
Sometimes yes, but say, "Okay, can you tell them what we discussed?"
Okay, can you tell them what we discussed?
Might save you time. Worth asking. Practice. Say, "Can you tell them what we discussed?"
Can you tell them what we discussed?
Excellent. Say it again.
Can you tell them what we discussed?
Nice. Now, what if they can't help you?
That's frustrating.
Stay calm. Say, "Is there someone else who can help with this?"
Is there someone else who can help with this?
Or, "Can I speak to a supervisor?"
Can I speak to a supervisor? That's not rude?
Not if you're polite about it. You have that right.
Good to know.
Sometimes they offer a solution you don't want.
Like what?
Maybe a refund instead of a replacement. You can say, "Actually, I'd prefer a replacement."
Actually, I'd prefer a replacement.
Or, "Is there another option?"
Is there another option? Keeps the conversation going.
Right. Now they've solved your problem. They ask, "Is there anything else I can help with?"
Brian, I say no?
Say, "No, that's everything. Thank you."
No, that's everything. Thank you.
Before you hang up, ask one more thing.
What?
Say, "Can I get a reference number for this call?"
Can I get a reference number for this call? Why?
Proof you called. If the problem happens again, you have it.
Smart. I should write it down.
Always. Practice. Say, "Can I get a reference number?"
Can I get a reference number?
Excellent. Say it again.
Can I get a reference number?
Perfect. Now, one last situation. You're angry because they messed up badly.
Hard to stay calm.
I know, but say, I'm really frustrated about this.
I'm really frustrated about this.
Not, you're terrible or this is stupid, just explain how you feel.
They respond better?
Much better. They're people too.
Fair point.
Let's review. When they answer, you say,
I have a problem with my account.
if you don't understand something,
Can you repeat that?
before hanging up,
Can I get a reference number?
you've got this.
Actually feels doable now.
Because it is. Most support people want to help. Just speak clearly and stay polite.
I can do that.
All right, question for you listening. What's the worst customer support experience you've had? Drop a comment. We'd love to hear it. And if this helped, subscribe so phone calls never scare you again. You're stronger than you think.